Passing AD0-E700 exam is the requirement of achieving Adobe Certified Expert Magento Commerce Business Practitioner Certification Exam. How to pass your Adobe Certification AD0-E700 exam. You can come to get DumpsBase Adobe AD0-E700 dumps as the preparation materials now. You can read AD0-E700 practice questions and answers with DumpsBase PDF file. We ensure that you can pass AD0-E700 Adobe Certified Expert Magento Commerce Business Practitioner Certification Exam. A Magento open-source merchant sells toys and gift and wants to improve the experience on their website. The merchant wants to avoid extensions or customization. How is this achieved? A. Enable the gift registry and allow customers to create a public registry accessible by direct URL. B. Enable wishlist functionality so customers can share a list for holidays or special occasions. C. Create a configuration gift card product available for online redemption. D. Enable anonymous RMA to allow customer to return gifts without informing the original buyer. Answer, D. A retail sells their products on their Magento Commerce site and in physical stores. They want to give customers the ability to purchase and use gift cards online or in store, including cards which have already been sold through both channels. Their in-store point of sale (POS) has built-in gift card capabilities and allows cards to be created or adjusted through an API. Which 3 items must be included in the requirements for this project? Choose 3 answers. A. Exiting Magento cards and balances must be imported into the POS. B. An additional payment method must be added to the Magento checkout. C. Existing in-store cards and balances must be imported into Magento. D. Magento and the POS must share the same product catalog. E. Gift card records in Magento and the POS must be synchronized when any gift card transaction takes place. Answer, B, C, D. A Magento Commerce merchant is running a sale for an upcoming weekend. The merchant will offer 15% off site-wide and will show the original price and the sale price on each product through the site. The discount will take effect on Friday at midnight and on Monday morning at 9 a.m. How is this achieved? A. Schedule an import of special prices and O prices and configure it to run at the appropriate time. Schedule another import to remove the special prices. B. Create a catalog price rule and set start time and end time in the condition tab. C. Create a cart price rule and a scheduled update appropriate start time and end time. D. Create a catalog price rule and a scheduled update with the appropriate start time and end time. Answer, C. A merchant has asked you to make their site WCAG 2.0 sections A and AA compliant. What kind of compliance should the website meet? A. VAK compliance, B. accountability compliance, C. PCI compliance, D. accessibility compliance. Answer, A. A merchant has set the visibility of a configurable product to not visible individually and their variants to catalog, search. How is the product family displayed on the product listing page? A. Only the simple products will display but null each nave a unique product detail page. B. The configurable and simple products will display individually but each will have a unique product detail page. C. Only the simple products will display but will share the same product detail page as the configurable product. D. The configurable and simple produces will display individually but each will have the same product detail page. Answer, laughing face. A Magento Cloud merchant is planning their Black Friday Cyber Monday campaigns and wants to see an analysis of last year's campaigns. What are two to use Magento Business Intelligence to deliver this analysis? A. Create a report comparing revenue and discount amounts toward coupons that were promoted during past year's campaigns. B. Use the ROI calculator to input last year's holiday and spend and compare it against net revenue. C. Do a server performance check to assess impact of holiday traffic spikes on conversion rate. D. Use the cohort report builder low understand the lifetime value of holiday acquired customers versus other customers. Answer, C. A merchant is trying to improve the customer experience for register customer and needs to provide shipping tracking numbers. How do you do this? A. Tracking numbers can be entered during invoice creation and they will only be visible after the order paid. B. Tracking numbers have to be entered during shipping creation and they will be accessible in the orders section in my account immediately. C. Tracking numbers are only supported for UPS, USPS and FedEx carries out of the box. For other carries it will require customization. D. Tracking numbers can only be added to order comments via the admin. Answer, B. A merchant is using Magento to manage inventory. The procurement department needs to see which products in the Clotting attribute set have fewer than 50 items in stock while eliminating all unnecessary columns. How do you do this? A. Install a third-party module to provide this report. B. Enable the daily product inventory report email feature. C. Navigate to the low stock report and enter the filtering conditions. D. Create a new product grid view with the necessary filters and column selections. Answer, B. A merchant has imported YouTube video URLs for all of the product but the videos are not displayed on the storefront. Why are the video unable to be displayed? A. The merchant did not assign preview image. B. YouTube videos don't displays for products, they can only be referencing CMS blocks. C. The merchant did not assign a role to the preview image. D. The merchant did not enter their YouTube API key into the admin. Answer, D. Your client is reviewing a mobile your team developed and deployed to the client's Magento Cloud staging environment. They ask you what the next steps are for deploying the work up to production. Using the Magento Cloud UI, how do you deploy the module to production? A. Select the pre-production environment and use the branch functionality to deploy. B. Select the master environment and use the snapshots functionality to deploy. C. Select the production environment and use the sync functionality to deploy. D. Select the staging environment and use the merge functionality to deploy. Answer, A.